So the question is this: if I delete email, does it delete that email on someone else's account? You can ask the question in lots of different ways. If I delete all of my email, will it delete their email? If I delete my account, will it delete their email? And I want to answer that question in this video. And here's what's happening. I've got this account right here. This right, you can see right here, I'm in as burrisconsulting@gmail.com. Over here, you can see I'm logged in as ncwiseman@teddyburris.com. Two different accounts. But you can see there's been a conversation going on. NC Wiseman sent some emails to BCI. So, here's the email, BCI. I'm going to do it again to show it to you live on the screen here. I'm going to reply. Let me get rid of that right there. I'm going to reply to this email right here. Here's the reply button. I'm going to go, hey, dude, good thoughts. And I'm going to hit send. Now, hang tight. I'm going to let you see it show up over here. And boom, there it is. There's the message that just showed up from NC Wiseman to BCI. Click on this right here. There's a message, hey dude, good thought. Now, I'm gonna come out of the message right here. And there's the two streams or two threads of conversation. Test again, and this is a test message. Test again, and this is a test message. Now, I'm gonna delete this message. I'm gonna click right here, and I'm gonna hit the delete button. Now, it takes 4 or 5 seconds because I have this undo option. But once that time is up, it's gone. If I come over here and refresh, it's completely gone. That's in the ncwiseman@teddyburris.com account. But over here in the burrisconsulting@gmail.com account, the messages are still there. This is a test. There's 3 messages. Testing again, there's 2 messages. Now, deleting it from one will never delete it from the other. The only exception is if you have some type of security system installed and integrated to Google, that there could be some features that would send a message and make it go away after a certain amount of time. But that is an extreme exception that most people would never have access to. Deleting a message from your Google Workspace, this is a Google Workspace account, will not delete a message from your Gmail account. Deleting a message from a Google Workspace account will not delete another message from another Google Workspace account. And same answer, deleting a message from a Gmail account will never delete a message from any other platform, whether it's Gmail, Google Workspace, Yahoo, Hotmail, or anything else. Just doesn't happen. It will only delete from the account that you are in. Over here, I'm going to delete this account. I'm going to just hit the delete button to delete this whole thread. And it's gone. Now I only have testing again. I got to wait 4 or 5 seconds because I have that protection turned on. It's gone. Go over here. I'm going to hit refresh. And this is a test message. It's still there, but it's gone from over here. Never happens. Deleting from one email account will not delete the received or sent messages from another email account. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.